This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse like new Sidney floor plan, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,826 square feet. This spacious, open concept home offers space gleaming with natural light and a floor plan great for entertaining. Entering from the covered front porch, you will be greeted with beautiful, engineered hardwood flooring and plush carpet throughout the home. A half bath is conveniently placed in the living room for guests. The kitchen, featuring granite countertops, stainless appliances, white cabinetry, and walk-in pantry, opens over the kitchen island into the dining and great rooms. Take advantage of the view outside from the sliding glass door, overlooking the backyard, ready for your new deck. Easily access the laundry room and 2-car garage from the kitchen. Moving upstairs, you will find the generous-sized primary bedroom complete with a large walk-in closet. The primary bathroom features an oversized vanity with dual sinks and a walk-in shower. Another full bathroom is located in the hallway and has dual sinks and shower/bath combo. 3 additional bedrooms complete the second floor. The possibilities are endless with the in-ground basement, which includes a finished recreational space, unfinished storage area, and a full rough-in for a future bathroom. Enjoy summer basking in the community pool. Located just minutes from I-95, schools, and Lake Caroline. Don't miss this opportunity to make this home yours.